Wondering what all the symbols on the 2023 Toyota Camry instrument cluster and warning indicator lights represent? This guide explains the key indicators, helping you understand their functions and ensure your vehicle's safety. Stay informed and drive with confidence. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning. Inappropriate pedal operation warning light. Brake system warning light. Parking brake indicator. Brake system warning light. Malfunction indicator lamp. Brake hold operated indicator. Electric power steering system warning light. SRS warning light. LTA indicator. ABS warning indicator. PCS warning light. PKSB off indicator. Intuitive parking assist off indicator. Seatbelt reminder light. RCD off indicator. Rear passenger seatbelt slip indicator. Master warning light. Low fuel level warning light. Tire pressure warning light. Turn signal indicator. Headlight indicator. Brake hold standby indicator. Cruise control indicator. Tail light indicator. Dynamic radar cruise control indicator. Headlight high beam indicator. Cruise control set indicator. Automatic high beam indicator. Eco driving indicator. Brake hold operated indicator. Security indicator. BSM indicator. RCD off indicator. RCTA indicator. Sport mode indicator. Blind spot monitor indicator. Airbag on-off indicator. Low outside temperature indicator. Gauges and meters. 4.2-inch display. 7-inch display. Tachometer. Shift position. Outside temperature. Multi-information display. Speedometer. Fuel gauge. Odometer and trip meter. Engine coolant temperature gauge. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.